Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from your MIT App Inventor app. So in this video, we will learn how we can implement ads in our own mobile app. Okay, like this one, I think M4, that's the plain game, right? So I'm going to use here ads in my app. So how we can do this? So I already told you yesterday, like there's no way directly to use ad, but you can use ad in your app indirectly. Okay, so we will do this, and you don't need to upload your app in Play Store to earn money from your app. Okay, so don't worry about that. You don't need to pay $25 to create an account in Play Store and earn money. You can still earn money without uploading your app in Play Store. Okay, so how we can do this? Let's start. So here my app here. Okay, so first I'm going to export this export selected project.aif file to my computer. Okay, and wait some seconds. Fine, that one is exported. Fine. So now I'm going to open Kodular. You will see here kodular.io, and you have to click on create app and wait some second. So we have to log in this app like MIT App Inventor. Okay, then here's the one platform, like you can see here. Now here's two options, create project and import project. So we are not going to create project, we are just importing our project, and we have to upload a .aia file. So click on choose file. You will see here game4.aia. Click on open. Okay, and you will see import option. Click on this and wait some seconds. 70%, 90%, 100%. Okay, so here you can see that's the app here. That's you can see here that's the MIT app here we have developed. We have just export the .aia file and import this file in Kodular. You will see here that's the app here. Now we have to put ad in our app. So you will see here monetization icon here. You can see money icon $. You just need to click on this. Okay, and you will see here advertising. So that's the advertising, and you will see here add more banner. So you have to just drag and drop this banner, and there are some policies they have, you have to read it. Click on OK. So that's the ad move. So whenever someone open your app, so your ad will display here. Now how can I put my ad here? So here you will see here add unit ID. So that's the unique ID for yourself, like that's the Kodular ID, that's the example just here. So first I have to create the AdMove Google account. Okay, so I'm going to the another tab and type here AdMove create account, and you will see here how to sign up for Google, and you will see a Google AdMove mobile app monetization, and you have to just click on this, and you will see sign up and sign in. So you have to just click on sign up button, and then you have to fill information, country, and you have to click on checked box and just click on create AdMove account. I already have account. If I will create another account, to YouTube will suspend my first account. So please don't create two accounts. Okay, so make sure that's my first account. If you have that's your first account, so please create it, otherwise don't create. Okay, if you already have. So that's the overall what we have. So now after you click on the create AdMove account, you will see the screen. I'll show you how it's look. It's look like this. See, it's look like this. That's the home screen here. Now you will see here app option. Click on apps, and you will see here add apps. So just click on add apps. Have you published your app on Google Play or App Store? No. Click on no, and that's your app name here. Or app name is a plain game, and platform is Android, and click on add and wait some seconds. You will see here that's the app ID, and click on create ad unit, and you will see here 4 types of ad. So when you run someone apps in your phone, so sometimes you will see banner ads, rewarded ads. There are 4 types of ad. Okay, so first here we learn how to use banner ad. So these all banners ad process is same, so you don't need to worry. So I'm going to use here banner app, select, and you will see here add unit ID. So plan game app unit. Okay, and click on create add unit. You can use here any name. Now you will see here complete the instruction using app ID and follow this. So just need to click on done, and you will see here the ID. You have to just click on this icon, copy. Okay, your unit copied in the clipboard, and go to the kodular here, and you will see here add unit ID. Just remove this ID and paste it. Okay, and click on test mode because you are testing your app right now. Okay, so click on test mode. After completing your testing, you can just uncheck this test mode. Okay, now we have to code for this and go to the block section here. Now here we need to use here, click on screen, and whenever screen will initialize, so we have to call add move banner here, and you will see here call add move banner dot load. Fine. Now click on add move banner, and you will see whenever add move banner add dot loaded, so we have to display this. Okay, so click on add move over here, and we have to make it visible on set visible true. Fine, great. Now we are going to export this app and see how it's work. So here you can see that I have just opened my app, and you will see here test ad. Okay, so there's the ad. When you uncheck that one box, so you will get the real ad here, and you can earn money from these ads. But make sure sometimes this will delay to display the ads, and if you have a new account, so it will take around 2 to 4 hours something. Okay, so don't be panic. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.